Right, wind up torch to dust it off. So, torch on, radio, wind up torch and radio combined. Right, it's a long time ago I've had this given to me. And this push button wind up torch, easy to grip either side. Backup batteries. In case the power goes out, get your camping gear out. These are AAA batteries, but these are type of push LED lights, okay? And have some of these just in case. Be prepared for what's coming. Dark, you know. This is very old, but you don't need batteries. You just crank it up, okay? Just check it works. If you've got these in storage, if you haven't got these, go around, check the prices and get stocked up with these things. Solar power might not work, you see, because there's no sun. But at least you got an emergency if any radio stations work. If you haven't got ham radio, this is a wind up radio. Prepare for 2020 plus.